Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly connect your Sony speaker with television. So the first thing that you can try to do is that when you're gonna have, I don't know if you're gonna have like audio output there. So if you're gonna have on your speaker, I don't know what speaker from Sony you got. So you want to connect the audio from the speaker with the audio with the this cable right here. This is the aux cable to the television. This is the first thing. If this thing is not going to work out, and you can connect it with Bluetooth, so look on the Bluetooth on your television. I know what television you have, so try to just like turn on the Bluetooth on the speaker and the television speaker, and then what you can try to do, you can get a Fire Stick or Apple TV and then Bluetooth. So this is another thing that you can do, just connect it to Fire Stick or Apple TV. So Fire Stick should be good. So just wanted to share this, maybe some of it is going to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.